What's up, YouTube? I have a really cool one for you guys today. I'm in a KTM hat, but this video has nothing to do with KTM. It's actually all Kawasaki. Really cool build. Want to show it to you guys. 03 KX125. Let's take a look. Check it out, guys. This is especially exciting for me because this was my second race bike. Not this exact one, but an 03 KX125. I started out on an 01 KX125. And you guys, any of you guys that are as old as me remember how horrible those 99 to 02s or 2000 to 02s were. And this 03 to 05 KX125 was a drastic improvement. So I moved from that 01 to that 03 and just instantly fell even more in love with the KX125. So that's why this specific model holds a very special place in my heart. Now, in addition to that, you guys know I love the KX250s. I have some KX250s at home. I have a KX500 build that's going to be coming up. But I don't have any KX125s, so I'm looking for one of these to add to my fleet at some point. This one belongs to Adam Fields here at AOMC. He's the tech here at AOMC in Charleston, and he picked this thing up just to kind of enjoy for a little bit, and then he may pass it along as well. So if any of you guys are interested in this after I tell you about it, then I'll put his contact information down at the bottom of the screen. So the story behind this bike, we think 03 KX125, there's a rumor that it was originally bought with lottery money back in the day, ridden a few times, got passed down. I think the third owner is the one that kind of cleaned it up and did this build. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Nothing crazy, it's just very clean and cool, and I'm going to show you the details of it. So yeah, for starters, we've got this really clean black and green graphics with the big KX on the side, VP logo, and it's got the graphics with like the grip finish to it, which are pretty cool. You don't see a lot of those anymore. Staying up top here, we got the Moto seat, black with the 3 green pleats. Pretty cool. These are really popular. Up around the handlebars, we've got Pro tapers, and I love that they're still the original, 7/8 bend. We've got the Pro Taper XPS clutch lever and perch, and then we've got the SPS brake lever as well. Now take a look at this master cylinder cap. This is Cerakoted, and it's that same like magnesium bronze that would normally match the stator and clutch covers, but this actually has Boysen stator and clutch covers. So these were the go-to. I had these on most of my Cowies. I'll show you the ignition one in a second. Now some of the other things they Cerakoted on here, this rear brake master cylinder cover and the clevis right here connecting to the lever. Pretty cool. And also the brake calipers. That's a big one we see these days. These things look good. I love this color they went with. Check out the front. Looks good. Original suspension on here, just freshened up by FCR. And then you see an FMF Gold Series Fatty and the super popular Shorty on the back here. Look, I love these things when they're so clean and fresh. We have what looks to be black powder coated hubs, black powder coated rims, a black spoke kit. I love that they kept the nipples a steel color. We've got a TM Designs factory edition chain guide. This thing's mounted up with R-Trax tires. We've got the Renthal black sprocket, and it looks like a DID ERT3 gold chain. Over here shows you the Boysen factory ignition cover. We also get yellow carb hoses. Always adds a nice touch. It's always nice to have some color back in there. And then we've got the V-Force 3 rad valve right there. This thing is really fresh. I don't believe it's got like maybe 5-6 hours on it. So this head's never been popped. Radiators have no tweaks. It's like Adam said, it's like a mental battle. He really wants to ride this thing, but he could probably never get it this clean again without a full tear down. So all right, let's fire this thing up. So absolutely beautiful machine, and I just wanted to show it to you guys today because it just kind of holds a special place in my memory. I hope to have something like this in the stable one day as well, just to look at. So thanks to Adam Fields for sharing this with us today. This bike's going to be at AOMC dealership on the floor for the next few weeks for any of you local guys that want to come down and take a look at it. And I'll put Adam's contact information as far as anybody interested in buying this thing down in the description. That way once it sells I can delete it. It won't be on the video forever. So thanks so much guys. If you appreciate these videos, do me and Adam and AOMC a favor and just grab your parts from AOMC. You need them anyway. The link's in the description. It won't cost you any extra. Appreciate you all. See you in the next video.